about 34 years I've been riding now. It's just that solitude once you put your helmet on and just be by yourself and think of something other than work. I don't have to listen to anything else. I just listen to the road, listen to the wind in the helmet and just get consumed by that. I'm currently riding a Victory Crossroads cruiser. Unfortunately, they've stopped making Victory. Probably own a future classic, I suppose. The Victory Riders group has been to Tasmania 4 times now. Generally, they'll come and do a lap of the state. They'll be here for a week. They find it's an opportunity to use the sides of their tyres, and they keep coming back here because it's a great place to ride motorbikes. You'll go past some incredible scenery. On the west coast, it's the pure rainforest type environment. It's the ruggedness, it's the sheer isolation of the place, the freshness of the air. A lot of people who come down from the mainland that I've taken on rides actually don't realise how tiring riding in Tasmania can be. That 200-kilometre ride that might be able to be done quite easily on the mainland actually might involve hundreds of corners. When you've got such good roads with so many corners, if the tyre pressures aren't right, the corners become unsafe, but as a motorcycle rider, you don't get to enjoy them as much. Without the right pressures, you're going to spoil your day. You can be getting sunburnt on the northwest coast at Burnie, and before you get to Rosebery or Tulla, it can have dropped 7 or 8 degrees and be miserly rain. If you get too cold, you start to think about how cold you are, not about what you're doing. I've got an option of either summer or winter gloves. To pull on a pair of plastic trousers, even though the sun might be out, can make the ride far more enjoyable, far more comfortable, and in the long term, far safer. Psychologically, the body's only got 2 hours of pure concentration in it a day. To try and extend that out across the whole day, regular stops, pull over and take a 5 or 10 minute break. It's also changing weather conditions. Some roads may not see sunshine for too many hours a day. In the wintertime or on cold days, high potential that there'll be some moss on the road. The roads can be wet, they can be greasy. You might find the school bus has kicked up a little bit of gravel on the inside corners. If you come to Tassie on that dream holiday, ride to your capabilities, not necessarily the bike's capabilities. The best thing about Tasmania for riding is we have the best roads in Australia.